It is now time to play everybody's favorite game. That's right. What's in the bucket? What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. It says 5 bracelets. Okay. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns. 1 candy dispenser, 5 bracelets, 8 PEZ candies, and fizzy hearts. Oh, hello, Kitty White. Any and everything down below. Now then. Well, I guess I kind of spilled it because I read the outside. Sorry about that. Yeah, that was kind of bad. Okay, so there's this little tab here. And let's see if we can bypass the tab a little bit. Because I don't want to break the tab off. Because then it won't be as mint. Maybe? There we go. All right. Yay! Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right, this is released internationally by PEZ. Nice little fun bucket here. You know what you could do? You could drill a couple holes in the bottom, maybe put some soil in there, plant a flower, or just put your PEZ dispensers in it. Why, hello, Kitty. This is Kitty White. Nice crystal PEZ dispenser. Little strawberries. Or maybe she's growing hearts. I didn't know hearts had leaves on them. Maybe. And we have some international candies here. A lot of candy here for your dispensers. It's quite the haul. And then we have these neat little, I think they're called silly bands. These little bracelets. And like this one here, it is in the shape of a flower. Now, you can put it on your wrist, and that one there is in the shape of a heart. And there's a couple different ones in here. But yeah, they take shape when you take them off, and you can play with the little characters or wear them. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then we have this nice little box of candy. Hello Kitty fizzy candy. All right. Tutti fruity. All right. Very cool. All this in one little bucket. So until next time, goodbye, Kitty.